What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to block a phone or WhatsApp number on your Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If you don't want to receive calls and messages from someone on WhatsApp and on your phone, you can simply block them. On your Android device, open your phone app. Next, tap on Contacts. Search for the contact you want to block, and after locating the contact, press and hold it for a while. A menu will pop up. From these options, tap on Add to Block List. When you tap on it, a confirmation message will appear asking you if you're sure if you want to block this number. Proceed to tap here to confirm your action. To block a WhatsApp user, simply open the WhatsApp application. Next, tap to open the chat of the contact you want to block. Once it's open, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Now, a list of options will appear. Here, tap on More. It will show you another list of options. Tap on Block, and then the app will prompt you with a confirmation dialog box. Here, select Block again to confirm it. This is how you can easily block a person on WhatsApp as well as their phone number. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.